Hello, my name is Josh Moses. I'm a trooper with the Nevada Highway Patrol and currently am the statewide DPS firearms coordinator. I started off in firearms in the Air Force as a firearms instructor. Once I finished with the Air Force, I joined the Nevada Highway Patrol in 1997, and in 1999, once I completed my academy training and field training, I became a firearms instructor with the state of Nevada. From there, I have been at the range my whole career, instructing in service quals and academies. For the last 10 years, I've been heavily involved in the academy training level, and for the last 3 years, I've done it full-time as the lead instructor for all the academies in the north and the south of the state. Training in the academy setting is super important because firearms is a high liability aspect of being a law enforcement officer. We start at a very basic level. We start at a level that someone with no experience with firearms can learn from the instruction that we're giving. A lot of people have shot before in their life, whether recreationally or with another department or in the military. Firearms training for law enforcement has a different aspect to it. We're here for public safety, so we have to train our cadets to react and respond appropriately to any situation that they might come across when they're on the road. So at the academy level, with this class of 94, we start off slow with basic marksmanship and safety with a handgun as well as a shotgun. It's a 5-day course to include a night shoot, so it's well over 40 hours of instruction. We give them the fundamentals of marksmanship. That includes the draw. We also run them through malfunction drills in case there is a malfunction with the handgun or the shotgun that they're using, so that they can confidently correct that malfunction and get the weapon back in operating status so they can effectively use it. With all firearms, safety is of utmost importance, especially on the range when we're in a training environment. We have upwards of 20-25 people in any given academy on the same line at the same time. So we stress safety, but it also rolls over into safety when we're carrying the firearm, performing our duties on a daily basis. Weapon retention, keeping our weapons in our holsters and keeping them protected so they're not taken from us in any situation, but also safe handling of it as far as muzzle discipline, knowing our background, what's beyond it, and knowing that we just can't pull a firearm out for any given situation. It has to be justified, and we have to have a reason to do that. As the week goes on, the cadets will fire upwards of 700 to 800 rounds from their pistol and close to 50 to 60 rounds out of their shotgun, all building up towards their qualification on the last day, which is a post requirement that they all pass at 70% or better. Once they complete this training and they complete their post training, they'll come back for another week of tactical firearms, where we just expand upon what the training they received in the basic academy, and we get into a little bit more of shooting and moving and different positional shooting and different tactics as it relates to handguns and shotguns. I am glad to be out here with Academy 94 and provide them with instruction, and hopefully they all appreciate the effort that goes into this and take the training and use it to their benefit to further their career in law enforcement. So good luck, Academy 94.